All right, everybody, it is Saturday. We got Vanessa coming with us today, and her rig hasn't been fired up in a while. It's got some battery issues. We've got it on the tender right now. And then mine, of course, I put the stereo in it last night and then fire up this morning, and it just wants to turn right. Come to find out, the speaker on the left front with the magnet affects the power steering. What? Yeah, so we're fighting it this morning. We're going to see if we can get hers fired up. Huh, Vanessa? Okay, everybody, we're here. We're being bold Montanans and bearing the rain, which you can see it's not bad here. I just got to get out of the house. Definitely was raining at the house. These farm dogs over there can hear us and they're barking at Blue. But yeah, there's the setup. Getting almost 19 miles to the gallon, cruising at the speed that, or excuse me, almost 20 miles to the gallon, 19.5. So yeah, we got Vanessa riding again today. So we're gonna have to tear it up. Huh, babe?
Yes.
Okay. And we got my mom with us for a nice little Mother's Day ride. Pre-Mother's Day ride. All right, folks, we're just taking off here. We got some antelope, we call speed goats, running through here. Yep, speed goat crossing. We got my mom, grandpa Rose, and Vanessa and Kieryn behind us. Here we go. Yep, we got a traffic jam here. Moving some cows. Some horses, huh, Blue? Yeah. Got some baby cows up here, too. Yep, there he is. Hi, Moose. How's it going, bud? Yeah, he's an oldie.
Is he?
Yeah, you can tell.
Not a young one?
No.
There's a moose.
Yeah. See him? There he goes.
That's the second moose we saw.
Well, I just told my mom that we saw a moose here in this area before, and then she's like, oh, there's one. Big old head on him. Yep. Yep. He just hangs out here. Oh, Blue. Come bumping in on me. Oh, he's gnawing on that tree now. Yeah. He's like, yeah, what do you guys want? Leave me alone. This is my area. Pretty cool, huh, girls? Yeah. All right, Blue, to the snow. Blue, Blue. Okay, people, I found a cool little section here, a trail that I wanted to maybe do a time trial, so I'm gonna do like a 100-yard run up here and have Vanessa follow me. Ready? Here we go. 4 high. Vanessa kept up here. Woo! Did I go faster than you? Probably. It seemed like what?
It was quicker.
Coming up where I went through? Yeah. We'll have to time it and see. But time at 7.33, so there you can film on the ground. All right, that's pretty good, people. 7.3 on hers and 7.33. Look at how muddy she's getting. So yeah, I stopped at 7.30.
Oh wow, so 300.
Yep, that's pretty good. So basically that could be a little error in where we're seeing or here and there, so no advantage to the more horsepower or different tire really.
Unless we have like a definitely.
Yeah, drag race on even pavement, but in reality, like where it matters on the trail in an application, this is it. I mean, so far it's proven itself unbeatable. Yeah, good driving, good job. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Okay, it is kind of fun to do something different. Yeah. All right, thank you for filming. Thanks for filming.
Spot right here.
We've got Grandma Rose filming. She hasn't done that before, huh?
Nope.
Yeah, it's a nice spot right here.
Mom's turn.
Okay, we're making our way up the mountain here, and you can see it's kind of like hail sleeting here. This is more fun to watch to me. We're trying to get some of the mud off our windshields without totally destroying them. Obviously, we care a little more about hers than mine. Hers looks pretty good. Hi, Grandma Rose. And getting some of the muck off the wiper, and you can see this little ball's coming down. Yeah, and we're going to transfer in from mud to snow. Here, I got you. This will not scratch it. There we go. Okay. Cool. Yep, having fun now, people. Super ATVs and Blackwaters. Doing good. Montana Mountain UTV. We got Vanessa back out here. She's being happy. Is that her happy face? Woo! I didn't stay on top of that. Get mom. See how she does do that one.
She's coming in the wrecking
After lunch, we're just trying to get around here a little bit. You can see there's a kind of a, if you guys back up, did you read that sign or did you just kind of bypass it there? You can see that's Flathead Indian Trail. Reads a little bit about General Stevens, negotiated a treaty between the Indians here, kind of making peace. It's cool. All right, now we're gonna decide which way we go. A pretty big loop to make out of here, so hopefully a little bit more snow though. We were up in the snow and then we kind of got stuffed out, so hopefully we'll be back in the snow. And there's my mom and Vanessa. All right, here comes Vanessa and mom ripping up here. It's been a nice little muddy steep trail, ruts, kind of fun. We're gaining some elevation. See what happens. Probably, oh shoot, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, people, I'm backing up here. We did find some snow and some steep stuff. Definitely pretty steep right here. I'm gonna make my way down this big bank real quick at low range. I wasn't able to punch through it in high. You can see it's kind of deep there, real soft. But luckily there's lines around. think, huh?
Is that a mine?
Yeah, there's lots of mines, and that's the lake, Canyon Ferry there. The lake, that whole area right there. Yep, see the storms rolling in? Yeah, pretty cool. What's that? Yeah, not bad. Let's see where we're at here. I think we're at like 8,000 something here. What's that say, Blue? Yeah, 7,800, 7,400 below us. Yeah. All right, people. All right, I'll give you guys a view here. You can see Canyon Ferry Lake out there in the distance. We're just coming down this steep stuff here. It's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just having a good old time. Woo, I gotta stay on the trail though. Don't want to make mistakes coming down this stuff. Yeah, the girls are doing back there. Oh yeah, we're coming down. It's awesome. The Raven following me around as usual. Pretty cool. All right, folks. We're gonna loop on out of here, and we're gonna meet Vanessa's parents, Tom and Wendy, for a little Mother's Day dinner. Yay! Yeah. Even though Mother's Day tomorrow, but yeah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Blackwaters versus Super ATVs. Okay. Deer poop. Okay, so it'll be a simple little test of like nice open hill. You don't want to get too frisky and get sideways, but just see if you can go straight up through the snow in a fresh track. If I can make it. If I can't make it, I'll back out and you can go. Okay, here we go. I'll do it in low, I guess. High would probably be better, maybe. I'll do it low since we're on such a steep hill. She got more of a run at it where I started at the bottom. But, well, it'd be nice to do it side by side. That'd be fun. Okay.
You made it.
Oh boy, those tires are awesome, huh? Yeah. Okay. Got another stop, Matt? So, pull up to it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, wait. Hey, hey. Oh, no. Hey. That's not how I did it though. You're getting momentum coming into it, which is normal for like what we want to make through an obstacle. I was just trying to do a tire test where I kind of got myself all the way into it and then tried to go. So like all 4 tires are on the ice, snow, and then try and go. You know what I mean? I just wanted to see if yours will do more than these would. See, it's icing up pretty good under here. All we need is Kieryn out. Huh. You want to hop out? Video? That looks good. Let's see what you can do now. Low range, crawl, spin, whatever you want to do. Woo! Blue, big head. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, I'm on ice.
There you go. Yeah, get some. No?
Nope.
Okay, let's see if we can start. Icy, huh?
And all the grass.
Yeah. Woo! Do it, Vanessa, do it!
Yours are better.
I wonder. The studs?
Yeah.
just, you gotta rock it and dig them and... Mine does boost me up a little bit.
Yeah.
Ooh, it did. Dang. Axle breaker. Alright. She gonna boost through it, people? Nice one. Woo! That was fun. Brand new black waters with studs. The